for the health of the mother and child. A set of 2 prenatal supplements. Contains a multivitamin and an omega-3 complex. Supports maternal tissue growth during pregnancy. 1. Supports the normal development of the fetus and breastfed babies. 2. Help maintain normal fertility. Order now. How does Prenatalin work? 1. Provides ingredients that support the normal course of pregnancy and the development of the fetus. 2. Contains the DHA omega-3 fatty acid, which is responsible for the normal development of the brain cells and eyes of the fetus. 3. Contains quatrefolik, the active form of folic acid, which is key in the formation of red blood cells and the normal development of cells. 4. With the presence of calcium and vitamin D, it supports the bone health of both the baby and the mother-to-be. 5. It contains choline, which protects DNA and has a beneficial effect on the development and function of the central nervous system. Why Prenatalin? A daily serving of 23 ingredients. Prenatalin is the richest formula on the market, containing all the nutrients a developing baby and mother-to-be need. The only formula of its kind on the market. Prenatalin is a set consisting of 2 dietary supplements. Prenatalin Multi contains a complex of vitamins and minerals, while Prenatalin Omega-3 is a complex of EPA and DHA. High bioavailability. The product contains the highest quality, carefully selected ingredients with high bioavailability. Convenient form of administration. Prenatalin comes in the form of capsules, which are small and easy to swallow. You only need to take 3 capsules a day. Manufactured in accordance with the clean label philosophy. Contains no chemical additives, enhancers, or colorings. Prenatalin is created in accordance with the principles of good manufacturing practice, GMP. Order now. Highest quality ingredients. Quatrefolik. Quatrefolik is an innovative, most biologically active form of folic acid. A key ingredient for normal fetal development. Essential for DNA synthesis and repair. Influences brain and spinal cord development. Contributes to red blood cell production and amino acid metabolism. Folian quatrefolik compared to folic acid, folate quatrefolik has a higher bioavailability, stability, and faster effect. A folic acid deficiency in a pregnant woman can lead to serious birth defects in the child, such as neural tube defects. In addition, it can contribute to an increased risk of premature birth and fetal malnutrition. Fish oil. Top quality fish oil, which is a source of omega-3 fatty acids, EPA and DHA. DHA is essential for the formation of brain structure and proper development of the nervous system. Has a positive effect on cognitive function and intellectual development. Influences eye development, helps form the retina of the eye. EPA supports the functioning of the cardiovascular system. Supports immune system function. Reduces the risk of postnatal depression in women. Selenium LECT. An innovative form of selenium with increased bioavailability. Plays an important role in the regulation of the thyroid function. Supports the functioning of the immune system. Supports brain and nervous system development. Adequate selenium levels in your diet reduce the risk of postpartum thyroiditis and premature birth. Vita MK7. Naturally derived vitamin K of the highest quality and bioavailability. Plays a key role in bone mineralization. Provides protection against congenital heart defects. Essential for proper blood coagulation. Has a beneficial effect on the cardiovascular health of both the fetus and the mother. Aquamin TG. A multi-mineral complex from calcareous marine algae that provides a natural source of calcium. Plays a key role in the development of the skeletal system, has an impact on bone mineralization. Supports the proper functioning of muscles. Calcium deficiency may cause growth retardation in the fetus. Magnesium, Aquamin milligram Tg. Magnesium from a natural mineral source derived from seawater. One of the most important elements for human life. Contributes to the maintenance of electrolyte balance and conduction of nerve impulses. Is essential for women during pregnancy and after childbirth, due to the increased demand. The ideal and complete combination. Prenatalin is a powerful blend of nutrients to give your body the support it needs from conception until birth. Take care of yourself and your baby. You deserve the best.